Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Dangerous foods and their hidden toxins. Welcome to our deep dive into a topic that might change your thoughts about your meals and snacks. Today, we uncover the hidden dangers lurking in some of the most common foods we consume daily. You might be surprised to learn that many of your favorite snacks and meals could contain harmful toxins that pose serious health risks. From seemingly innocent potato chips to that delicious frozen dinner you rely on for quick meals, the truth is that many of these foods are packed with hidden dangers. These toxins can range from artificial preservatives and flavor enhancers to harmful chemicals that can accumulate in your body over time. It's essential to understand that what you eat can significantly impact your overall health, and being aware of these hidden dangers is the first step toward making better food choices. As we explore this topic, we'll highlight the importance of vigilance of what goes into our bodies. It's not just about counting calories or avoiding fat. It's about recognizing the potential toxins that can affect our health in the long run. Being informed lets you make choices that satisfy your cravings and promote your well-being. But that's not all. We promise to reveal some shocking truths about safe, familiar foods. You'll learn about ingredients that are often overlooked and the potential consequences of consuming them regularly. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to navigate the grocery store and make healthier choices for you and your family. So, stick around as we uncover the hidden toxins in your favorite foods and empower you to take control of your health. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. These foods are poison. Let's dive into the world of foods that many of us consume regularly but may not realize are harmful to our health. First on our list are processed meats, such as hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats. These foods are often loaded with preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which enhance flavor and extend shelf life. However, studies have linked these additives to an increased risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. The World Health Organization has even classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there is sufficient evidence to suggest they can cause cancer in humans. Next, we have sugary cereals, a breakfast staple for many families. While they may seem harmless, these cereals are often packed with high levels of sugar and artificial additives. Consuming excessive sugar can lead to a host of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Many of these cereals also contain artificial colors and flavors associated with hyperactivity in children and other health concerns. Another food to be cautious about is margarine. Often marketed as a healthier alternative to butter, many margarine brands contain trans fats, which are known to raise harmful cholesterol levels and lower good cholesterol levels. This imbalance can significantly increase the risk of heart disease. As we explore these foods, it's crucial to reconsider our dietary habits. We can make more informed choices by being aware of these popular items' harmful additives and health risks. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods can lead to better health outcomes and a more balanced diet. So, take a moment to evaluate what's in your pantry and consider swapping out these toxic foods for healthier alternatives. Your body will thank you. These dangerous toxins hide in all your favorite snacks. Look at some snacks you might enjoy but may not realize are hiding dangerous toxins. First up, we have potato chips. These crispy treats are often seasoned with artificial flavors and preservatives like BHT, butylated hydroxytoluene, which is used to prevent rancidity. While it keeps your chips fresh, studies suggest that BHT may disrupt hormone function and could even be linked to cancer. Next on the list are candy bars, which are a go-to for many when craving something sweet. These sugary delights are typically loaded with high fructose corn syrup, artificial colors, and preservatives. Over time, consuming these additives can lead to a buildup of toxins in your body, contributing to health issues such as obesity, diabetes, and even liver damage. The body struggles to process these synthetic ingredients, leading to potential long-term effects on your overall health. Another typical snack that often goes unnoticed is microwave popcorn. Many brands use diacetyl, a chemical that gives popcorn its buttery flavor. While it may taste delicious, diacetyl has been linked to respiratory issues when inhaled in large quantities, particularly in factories. So, what can you do to enjoy snacks without the hidden dangers? Consider healthier alternatives. Instead of potato chips, try air-popped popcorn seasoned with your favorite herbs or spices. For a sweet treat, opt for dark chocolate with minimal ingredients or fresh fruit to satisfy your cravings without the harmful additives. Being mindful of your snacks can significantly reduce exposure to these hidden toxins. Making simple swaps can lead to a healthier lifestyle and a happier you. So, next time you reach for a snack, think twice about what's in it. The hidden danger in your kitchen that's killing you slowly. When you think about health risks in your kitchen, you might not consider the everyday items you use. However, some standard kitchen products can pose serious health threats over time. One of the most concerning items is non-stick cookware. While it makes cooking and cleaning more accessible, many non-stick pans are coated with polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, commonly known as Teflon. When heated to high temperatures, PTFE can release toxic fumes that may lead to flu-like symptoms in humans and can be fatal to birds. Additionally, many non-stick coatings contain perfluorinated compounds, PFCs, which have been linked to various health issues, including cancer and liver damage. Another kitchen staple that may surprise you is artificial sweeteners. Found in many diet products, these sweeteners, such as aspartame and sucralose, can disrupt your metabolism and gut health. Research suggests that long-term consumption of these additives may lead to weight gain, increased sugar cravings, and even metabolic disorders. The long-term implications of using these products can be severe. Regular exposure to the toxins released from non-stick cookware can accumulate in your body, potentially leading to chronic health issues. Similarly, the use of artificial sweeteners can alter your body's natural ability to regulate sugar, contributing to obesity and diabetes. So, what can you do to create a safer cooking environment? Consider switching to stainless steel, cast iron, or ceramic cookware, free from harmful coatings and can withstand high temperatures without releasing toxins. To sweeten your meals, opt for natural alternatives like honey, maple syrup, or stevia, which provide flavor without the health risks associated with artificial sweeteners. By making these simple changes in your kitchen, you can significantly reduce your exposure to harmful substances and promote better health for you and your family. Remember, a healthier kitchen leads to a healthier life. The surprising foods that contribute to dementia and cognitive decline. When it comes to maintaining brain health, the foods we consume play a crucial role. Surprisingly, some everyday items in our diets may contribute to cognitive decline and even increase the risk of dementia. One major category of foods to watch out for is refined carbohydrates. Found in white bread, pastries, and many processed snacks, these carbohydrates can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, which has been linked to an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. High sugar items are another culprit that can negatively impact brain health. Foods loaded with sugar, such as candies, sodas, and sweetened cereals, can lead to inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation damages brain cells and disrupts communication, ultimately affecting cognitive function. Studies have shown that diets high in sugar can impair memory and learning, making it harder to think clearly and retain information. The science behind these effects is compelling. When we consume refined carbohydrates and sugars, our bodies experience a surge in glucose levels, which can lead to oxidative stress and inflammation. This process can damage neurons and hinder the brain's ability to function optimally. Additionally, diets high in these foods can contribute to obesity, which is another risk factor for cognitive decline. To combat these risks, it's essential to adopt a brain-healthy diet. Incorporating whole grains, fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins can provide the nutrients your brain needs to thrive. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, are particularly beneficial for cognitive function. By making mindful choices about your eating, you can support your brain health and enhance mental clarity. Remember, a healthy diet is not just about physical well-being. It's also a vital component of maintaining cognitive function as you age. Making informed choices about our diets is not just a matter of preference. It's a proactive step toward safeguarding our health. By understanding the implications of the foods we consume, we can take charge of our well-being and make better decisions for ourselves and our families. Remember, the power to improve your health lies in your hands, and small changes can lead to significant benefits over time. We encourage you to apply this knowledge to your daily life. Start by evaluating your pantry and making healthier swaps. Opt for whole foods, natural sweeteners, and safer cooking methods to create a more nourishing environment. If you found this information valuable, we invite you to engage with us further. Please subscribe to our channel for more health insights and tips on how to live a healthier lifestyle. Consider sharing this video with friends and family who might benefit from this knowledge. Together, we can spread awareness about the importance of making healthier food choices and empower others to take control of their health. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward better health, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.